In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit USD into Coinbase wallet. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap, what to choose, and what to expect while your money moves into your wallet. Start by opening the Coinbase wallet app on your phone, or log in using your browser if you prefer the web. Make sure you're using the official app or website for security and the best experience. Once you're in, head to the side menu and choose Portfolio. This is your home base for balances and activity. Inside Portfolio, find USD and select it. Then, tap Add Cash. This is where you'll see the deposit options available in your country or region. Common choices include bank transfer options like AIK in the United States or SWIFT internationally, a debit card or a traditional wire transfer. Each method has its own speed and fee structure, so pick the one that fits your needs for cost and timing. Quick note before we continue. If you need the app or want to use the website, you'll find the official download link and the website link right at the top of the description for this video. Use those links to avoid lookalikes and to get the most up-to-date version. Now, follow the on-screen instructions for the method you chose. If you're using a SWIFT or wire transfer, carefully copy the bank details exactly as provided in the wallet, including reference numbers to ensure the funds arrive in the right place. If you're using ICH or a debit card, simply follow the prompts to securely link your bank account or card and proceed when you see the confirmation. Next, enter the amount of USD you want to deposit. Take a moment to review all details before you confirm. This is where you'll typically see any applicable fees, estimated arrival times, and the payment method you selected. When everything looks correct, confirm the transaction. Now it's processing time. For SWIFT or wire transfers, expect about 1 to 3 business days. ACH and other bank transfers usually take 1 to 5 business days. Debit card deposits are typically instant, though they may include a small fee. Remember that business days don't include weekends or bank holidays, which can affect timing. Once the deposit completes, return to your portfolio. Your USD balance will update automatically, and you'll be able to use those funds within your Coinbase wallet. That's all there is to it. If this walkthrough helped, please like the video and subscribe for more clear step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching.